everyone, this is Abhignya from CSC. Now I am going to give a presentation on the topic Boolean set problems. So let me discuss what I am going to discuss over here. Let me discuss the content first. Let's discuss the definition of Boolean set problems. So, Boolean satisfiability problem refer to a class of computational problems that involve determining the satisfiability of a given logical formula. Specifically, it involves finding an assignment of truth values to the variables in the formula such that the formula evaluates to true. The problems are typically represented using Boolean algebra, which deals with the binary values, logical operators such as and, or, and not. Let me explain the terminology. In early development years, Boolean refers to the type of data that can take one of two values, typically represented as true or false. In the context of Boolean SAT problems, the variables in the logical formula can be assigned either true or false. Advancements over the here. SAT or satisfiability refers to the property of a logical formula being able to evaluate to true under specific as under specific assignment of truth values to its variables. In other words, Boolean SAT problem asks whether a given logical formula is satisfiable or not. So practical applications. Coming to practical applications, Boolean SAT problems have various practical applications. Some examples include electronic circuit design. Boolean SAT problems are used in circuit optimization, verification, where the goal is to find and assignment truth values that satisfy certain design constraints. Artificial intelligence. It is also used in the field of artificial intelligence. Boolean set problems are relevant in the field of AI for tasks such as automated reasoning, planning, constraint satisfaction. It is also used in software model checking. Boolean set problems are employed in analyzing whether system for bugs, ensuring correctness, and identifying the counterexamples. So this has a rich history. Boolean set problems has a rich history. And coming to the early development, explanation of CNF. CNF stands for conjunctive normal fields. It means in early days, SAT problems were mainly studied in the context of mathematical and theoretical computer science. Writing expressions in CNF, the concept of SAT was first introduced by Stephen Cook in 1971 showed that SAT problems belong to the class of computationally difficult problems known as NP-complete. So advancement over the here. So here also what happened is the definition of Boolean is gonna changed. Over the years, significant advancements have been made in algorithms and methodologies for solving Boolean SAT problems efficiently. Clauses and formulas. The development of efficient SAT solvers such as Davis-Putnam Longman-Loveland algorithm (DPLL) has greatly improved the scalability and practicality of solving SAT problems. So, importance of SAT problems. It plays a vital role in various fields, such as I have discussed before, in other field like electronics, computer science, and all. Advantages in computing. Boolean set problems are significant importance in computing due to their ability to represent reason about complex logical systems. They provide a powerful and flexible framework for expressing and solving various types of problems, especially those involving logical constraints and decision making. So coming to the basic concepts, introduction to Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a branch of algebra that deals with Boolean values which take to either true or false. It is similar to the arithmetic operations such as addition, multiplication, and negation. So, Boolean functions and operations. Boolean functions are the functions that operate on Boolean values and return a Boolean value as output. So, CNF, conjunctive normal form, is nothing but the conjunctive normal form is a standard normal form for expressing Boolean formulas. It is an add of one or more classes where each class is and or of one or more literals. A literal is either variable or a negation. To write the Boolean expression in CMF, first express it in terms of and, or, and not. Then apply various algebraic manipulations to arrive at formula that is in CNF. SAT problems. Coming to SAT problems, as I have discussed this definition before, and have this discussed DPLL algorithm also. I have mentioned it previously. And next, complexity of SAT problems include NP completeness and theoretical bounds. NP completeness, the SAT problem is an NP complete problem, which means that its solution can be verified in polynomial time. However, it is not known whether the problem can be solved in polynomial time or not. Theoretical bound. The best worst case complexity for SAT problem is exponential, which means that for large instances of the problem, the time taken to solve it grows very rapidly. However, many practical instances of problem can be solved efficiently using optimized algorithms and heuristics. These are some problems. Coming to section for applications. So as I have discussed mentioned before, in circuit design and verification, these SAT problems are mainly used. The main goal is to optimize the design of the circuit and to ensure the correctness of digital circuit signs. And coming to software verification in bug finding and correction, formal verification. SAT problems are used in bug finding, correction, by modeling desired and undesired behaviors of software systems. Formal Formal verification techniques rely on heavily Boolean SAT problems for proving correctness properties of software systems. Next, in the field of artificial intelligence, in knowledge representation, Boolean set problems are utilized in knowledge representation for representing and reasoning about facts, rules, and constraints. Decision making and planning. Boolean set problems are applied in decision making and planning scenarios to find satisfying assignments that represent optimal or feasible plans. Learning and optimization. Boolean set problems are used in learning and optimization domains to find solutions that maximize or minimize certain objectives. So, challenges and future directions. It is actually P and NP are P is a subset. P is a subset of NP, but it is still under the research work that P is equal, whether the P is equal to NP or not. And another important thing is conjectures and unsolved problems. These are the conjectures. There are several conjectures and unsolved problems related to Boolean set problems. One well-known conjecture is unique game conjecture, which means implications for hardness of approximating certain classes of Boolean set problems. Additionally, the question of whether random k-SAT instances have satisfiability threshold is still an open problem. These unresolved questions and conjectures contribute to the ongoing research in the field. So, practical limitations. Coming to practical limitations in solving SAT problems, Boolean SAT problems, one of the Primary challenges in solving it is its scalability and efficiency. As the size of the problem increases, the number of possible assignments grows exponentially and make it computationally expensive to find a satisfiability assignments. Integrating with other approaches other algorithms for optimization methods and all, novel applications and technologies means Boolean set problems have found applications in various fields, including software and hardware verification, planning, cryptography, bioinformatics. Thank you.